of April is called to order.
Thank you. I kindly request Rotarian Dr. M. Parthasarathi to read out the prayer, Rotary prayer.
Thanks, Sujata. I just have to open your wife, your WhatsApp.
Sir, it's on the screen also. If you want, you can just read it out, sir.
இல்ல எனக்கு ஓபன் ஆயிடுது. நான் என்னுடைய போன்ல இருந்து படிக்கட்டுமா?
படிங்க சார். எப்படி வேணா படிங்க.
Okay. Oh God, creator and father of mankind, we thank thee for inspiring our founder. I just want to slightly explain. We thank thee for youngsters, sake of youngsters. We thank you for inspiring our founder with the principles of Rotary based on high ideals of morality, and we implore thee to help Rotarians meeting here, to help us Rotarians meeting here to imbibe deeply the true Rotary spirit and to labor incessantly for the establishment of peace and goodwill among all people, for the elimination of all bars of color, creed, and claim. I don't know the meaning of claim, Dr. Sujata. Mr. Sujata.
Okay, sir, we'll tell you.
Okay. For the removal of economic and social barriers. For the proper understanding of the sanctity of human personality and the dignity of labor, so that all individuals, all families, and fellowship and unite around the holy field, holy feet, and hail thee as though really art our one true, eternal, and all loving Father. Thank you, Ramesh, for giving me an opportunity to read the prayer.
Thank you for your explanation also, Parthasarathi.
Okay.
Sir, climate means climate, sir. Wherever we are, whichever region it is, it doesn't matter. So in spite of all these color, creed, whichever complexion or whichever culture,
whichever region is it?
Yeah, climate.
Oh, climate. Okay.
Yes, sir. And okay. I kindly request Rotarian Clement Joseph, sir, to read out the 4-way test for all of us.
Good evening, everyone. The 4-way test of the things we think, say, or do. Is it the truth? Is it fair to all concerned? Will it build goodwill and better friendships? Will it be beneficial to all concerned? Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Dr. Clement. Yeah, very nice. So lovely way to start today's speaker meeting. I kindly request Rotarian Dr. Ramesh Babu to welcome the gathering.
Good evening to one and all. First of all, convey my Yugadi wishes to each and every one of you and to your families. And it so happened today is Yugadi and tomorrow is Tamil New Year's Day. It is a wonderful occasion to meet every one of you for this speaker meeting. I welcome all the Geminians who have gathered here. I welcome our charter president, Rotarian, senior orthopedic surgeon, Rotarian R. Venkatakrishnan. I also welcome our senior past president, Rotarian J.V. Krishnamurthy, past presidents Bhairavan Babu, past president Sujata Ramesh Babu, Srinivasa Rao, and Ravi Chakravarti, Jayaraman sir, and all the other members. And we just now had our Green Rotarian, Dr. M. Parthasarathi. He rendered the Rotary prayer. And also we had Clement Joseph who read out the four-way test. I also welcome Manjula Venkatakrishnan Madam. And actually, Manjula Madam was responsible for the birth of Rotary Club of Chennai Gemini. We welcome you, Madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I welcome all the other members of Rotary Club of Chennai Gemini and also welcome our speaker of the day, Rotarian, past president, major donor, Dr. S. Sundararajan, who is a consultant orthopedic surgeon and is a very good friend of mine. I'm very happy to tell you that we studied MS Ortho together. Even though he is younger to me in college, in MBBS, we studied MS Ortho together. He's a great personality. He's not only a great orthopedic surgeon, he's a great Rotarian also. And we feel extremely happy to have you here because we understand that you have become the district governor nominee designate of RA District 3203. It is
Very
a
nice.
great pride for each and every one of us, and also not only to the Rotary, but also to orthopedic surgeons as well as to our Stanleyans. So we feel extremely happy that one among us have become the district governor nominee designate of RI District 3203. We welcome you and for this speaker meeting. He is going to talk to us on one of his favorite subjects, I love Rotary. I also welcome all the other Rotarians from District 3203, also from Udumalpet, and I think his friends have also joined here. I welcome each and every one of you for this wonderful speaker meeting, which is happening on the Yugadi day. I know all of you, I'm sure all of you know that Yugadi is a Telugu New Year's Day, and we feel extremely happy that we could have a speaker meeting of such a great personality who is going to be talking to us on I love Rotary. So with this, I welcome each and every one of you for this speaker meeting, and without wasting much time, I request our director club service and my life partner Mrs. Sujata Ramesh Babu to introduce the speaker, Rotarian, past president, major donor, Dr. S. Sundararajan of Udumalpet Tejas. Over to Sujata Ramesh Babu.
Thank you so much, Dr. Ramesh Babu. It's my pleasure and honor to introduce this charming personality from Udumalpet. Rotarian PPMD Dr. S. Sundararajan. One second. Yeah, I'll just spotlight him and then I will just go on. Okay. Yeah, he is from Rotary Club of Udumalpet Tejas, DGND RA District 3203. Born in the year 1959, he started his practice in Udumalpet since 1989. Established Priya Orthopedic Center, Udumalpet 1997. He has been a member of Rotary International from 1991. He was the past secretary of Rotary Club of Udumalpet in 1998-99, past president Rotary Club of Udumalpet 2001 and 2. As president, he had done the following milestone projects: record membership induction, for which RA President Award was given. Rotary IMA Bond Blood Bank building was inaugurated. Free artificial limb camp was done, giving artificial limbs to amputees. Participated in polio corrective surgery camp in Moradabad, UP RA District 3100. For the activities during the year 2001-2, he was awarded the Outstanding President Award in Rotary District 3200. He was awarded the RI Presidential Citation for the 4 avenues of services in the year 2003-4. He was the correspondent of Rotary School Udumalpet from 2002 to 10 and brought about significant progress in the school. He participated in 7 Rotary polio corrective surgery camps in Uttar Pradesh from the years 2001 to 8. He also participated in the Intercontinental Medical Camp in Uganda, RA District 9200 in 2002. He was a member of the Rotary Vocational Training Team to Nigeria from January 29 to February 10, 2020. He had received awards from two Rotary International presidents, Rotarian Richard King 2002 and William Boyd 2006, and from one past RIP Rotarian Rajendra Sabu in 2001. Now he's an active member as club advisor for the Rotary Club of Udmalpet Tejas. No wonder you've become DGND, sir. You totally deserve it. It's been really great to know so much of work has been done by you. He's also a major donor. His wife, Mrs. Kokila Sundarajan, daughter Riya Sundarajan, son-in-law, Mr. Srinivas Raghavan, son, Master Nitwin Shiva, and mother, late Mrs. Vasanta Devi are all Paul Harris Fellows. He was the governor's group representative in the year 2005-6. In 2015-16, he was the Rotary District 3202 General Secretary, was the Assistant Governor in 2019-20. Attended Rotary International Convention, Seoul, South Korea in 2016, a member of Clubfoot Rotary Action Group. He was the project chairman for the Global Grant Project 2012-501 COVID-19 Emergency Medical Care Unit for the Government Hospital Udmalpet, worth nearly 33 lakhs. Oh my God, wonderful, sir. He is an active member of Indian Medical Association Udmalpet, and I would not like to go into that because it just goes on and on and on. And the Tamil Nadu Orthopedic Association. So his contribution to IMA and orthopedics is commendable at various capacities. He is the charter president of Tirupur District Ortho Club. He has visited very many countries. His other social activities are Vice President Kartigai Villa Mandram, Udmalpet, Chairman Shakti Vinayagar Annadana Trust Udmalpet, then Executive Committee Member Siddhi Buddhi Vinayagar Temple Udmalpet, Coordinator Udmalpet Citizens Forum. His wife Kokila is a homemaker. He's being very humble to say that. She in fact came and gave us a recital on during I think it was
Margari Vida. She's a great singer.
She and Nitwin had given us a Carnatic songs recital, and daughter Riya is married to Mr. Srinivas Raghavan. Both are software engineers now living in Los Angeles, and son standard. Without further ado, I present to you this wonderful gathering. Thank you so much, sir. We are honored to have you here. Thank you.
And he has done a lot to Rotary, as you could hear. He has also done a lot of things to Indian Medical Association as well as Orthopedic Association. Wherever he is the star of the programs as well as events. Over to my dear friend, Dr. Sundara Rajan.
Thank you, Ramesh and Mrs. Ramesh. Good evening, sir. My teacher, R. Venkatakrishnan, I don't think whether he remembers me or not, but we all remember him because he was a guru for most of us. In Madurai Medical College, we always remember him. And in fact, I was very fond of him and I invited him to Ooty because I insisted that he comes to Ooty where I organized the orthopedic annual conference, and he was very kind enough and made his mark once again in Ooty in 2016 in spite of his age. Thank you very much, sir, to see you here. And Ramesh, I am very much surprised that you have a large gathering of orthopedic surgeons. Clement is there, Dr. Partha is there, RVK is there. I'm very happy to be here. It looks like more of orthopedic gang. Thank you. Ramesh was very kind to call me today. Don't call me DGND. I wanted to come to Ramesh Club when he took over as president as a Rotarian. And I am still a Rotarian. I never wanted to become a governor. Seriously, I'm telling you, I never did any of these services to become a governor. And all I did the services as a part of my profession, mostly as a part of my profession, and then as I like to do most of the things I wanted to do, and that was the need of the society, so I did. And the chance to become a governor came only last year in February, and I tried. That's all. And this was never my dream. So thank you very much for sharing the screen with you all as a DGND. That's all. This is only a part. Thank you. Please allow me to share the screen.
Sir, volume கேக்கல.
கேக்கலீங்களா?
இப்ப கேக்குது.
சரிங்க. Okay, I'll come closer. Okay.
Yeah.
Ramesh asked me to talk on Rotary. I said, okay, I'll talk about why I love Rotary. Of course, before I start, as you all know, this was Rotary once upon a time, and this is Rotary once again, even now. And we have seen many presidents, and we have seen many themes. And this is the latest. Rotary connects the world, opens opportunities, and it's going to serve to change lives. And we all know all these things, but I want to tell you, I want to invite you all to Udumalpet. Udumalpet is a very small town, very, very small town, less than 1 lakh population. It is close to Coimbatore and in between Coimbatore and Palani. I invite you all to come and visit all these places of interest, which are very close to Udumalpet. Amaravati Dam is there, Tirumuti Dam is there, Aliyar Dam is there, and Crocodile Park is there, and we have very good falls, Tirumuti Falls and Tuvanam Falls. And for those who are religious, we have Palani Temple, Tirumuti Temple, Masani Amman Temple, and Temple of Conscious at Aliyar. And there are many wildlife sanctuaries all around Udumalpet. So I invite you all to visit Udumalpet anytime once this corona phase is over. I welcome you all to Udumalpet. And when we start the story of my love for Rotary, I'll tell you 3 stories before my story. I'm sure most of you know this man. Can anyone identify this man?
Looks like a Japanese face.
Okay, he's a East Asian face. He was a past Rotary International president from Thailand, Vichai Rattakul. And he used to be a Rotarian like me, a Rotarian who was educated in Bangkok and Hong Kong, a honorary doctorate in political science, a member of parliament 9 times, and a foreign minister, deputy prime minister, speaker of the house, excellent political career. And he was a Rotary charter president, became a district governor, a committee member, and then Rotary International president. But if you look at his story, he was a simple Rotarian in his club, was not very active according to his story. If you read, this was in Rotary News, but very old, 2002, in the Rotarian. He told how he got involved into Rotary. You may be having some new members. It may be very useful to know about this. That is why I'm telling this, narrating this story. His club had a home where one of the members should take responsibility to take these children out on a weekend. One day his turn came and he was forced to take the children out. And he was not very keen, but that was his turn. So he had to take these children out. And he was not very comfortable with these children, but he took them out. And the children played in the outskirts. They all were very happy. And he had to engage them somehow or other. And then the time came for him to take them back to the home. And one little boy was very much attached all the time when he was playing. Vichai Rattakul could not avoid him because it was his responsibility to engage the children. They were all fatherless in the beach and they were playing. And as he picked them up, that boy was very much attached to Vichai and he was asking, when will you come back? 1 minute, my wife is calling. Yeah, ma. Or meeting later, ma. So by the time he had to drop the child got out of the car. All the children got out of the car. This child continued to sit next to him. No one could see, but he was feeling somewhat uncomfortable. You can see, since it was dark outside, no one could see my tears when suddenly he hugged me and whispered, "I wish you were my dad." That made a sudden change in his mind because he never thought he had any attachment with his children. It was his duty as a Rotarian to take them out to the beach and then bring them back to their home. But that moment when that child said, because he was taking him out, making him happy all the evening and dropping him back to his lonely place, the home, the child was so much attached to him and he said, I wish you were my dad. So Rotary made a difference at that day, and I understood, he was writing, I understood then what it meant to be a real Rotarian. So that was his story, and that day changed him to become a Rotarian. I believe in personal service, not purse service. That is, not giving money alone is service, but you have to get involved with the people, and then you will definitely become a Rotarian. That is how he became a Rotarian. That was his story. He later on became the international president. I'm sure most of you know this theme, look beyond yourself. Anybody can identify? Look beyond yourself. It is a famous theme proposed by a famous person. Everybody of you know the person. If I tell, you will be surprised. You know this person? He was the second international president from India. Now you know the name? That was Rajendra Sabu. Rajendra Sabu from Chandigarh. He was the second Rotary International president from India. And that is Usha Sabu. Usha Sabu was once again was not very keen about her husband's involvement with Rotary. She used to be very annoyed because Raja Sabu was very busy with his Rotary involvement. And in fact, Usha Sabu was also a Rotarian, but she could not get herself engaged in Rotary in the beginning. But the story that changed her life was a day when she met a leper, and she used to tell, stop being a glass, be a lake. That is, take plenty, give plenty. That was her theme. She met a leper one day, one night, when she was driving a car, when this man was on the roadside. And she was surprised that man was blocking the road, and she had to get out of the car to get this man out of the way. Then she found that man was a leper, was very hungry, could not move about, and she had to do something to help him, either to relieve his hunger or to get him some accommodation to make him live. So she had to call for help, make all the arrangements for him. Then she found there were so many people on the street who needed such type of help. That day changed her life. She started doing so much of help for people who were homeless. That day she became a Rotarian, and then all the health camps conducted by Sabu was accompanied by Usha Sabu. Sabu's wife talked to a woman who had returned from volunteering to help people wounded in the war in the former Yugoslavia. Usha asked her if she had been afraid, because Yugoslavia, was having internal war. And that lady who was volunteering in the war was telling, it seems, you die only once, and it is the way you die that matters. I did not find any fear at that time because I was serving humanity. And that also changed her, and she volunteered to all the camps Sabu was conducting in war-ridden Africa. You might know Sabu was the person who started many medical camps in Africa. India started giving to many countries instead of getting from many countries. Many of us think we are getting from foundation, but please remember, we started giving to many countries long time back, especially when Raja Sabu took over as the president. And then after retirement, he wanted to do something when he became the trustee of the foundation. He wanted to organize some form of work to help others. So that was the time he started arranging camps to Africa, organizing many medical camps to many war-ridden African countries. And in Ethiopia, when Raja Sabu and Usha Sabu were there, you can identify both of them, I am sure. You can see this is Raja Sabu and that is Usha Sabu. In Ethiopia, 5-year-old Martin, who had undergone 4 polio corrective surgeries on his little legs, was always happy playing with her despite his pain. When the local doctor asked him, "You don't know English, how do you communicate with madam?" Martin simply said, "Oh sir, that is easy. Madam always smiles in my language." Martin taught her that a smile is the biggest bridge between people. So Usha Sabu used to tell, "Gift your time in service, you touch lives. Gift your resources, you uplift lives. But when you give both with love and compassion, you yourself become a gift to the world, to humanity." So that is the story of Usha Sabu. So now all these stories inspired me after I joined Rotary, but very long after I joined Rotary, because I was a simple Rotary member and I was never a Rotarian for many years. But what changed me was polio. In fact, India became polio free in 2014, and we all know these 3 countries were polio endemic for many years. Are these countries polio endemic even now? Anybody? இப்ப போலியோ எந்த கண்ட்ரீஸ்ல இருக்குங்க? இந்த 3 கண்ட்ரிலயும் இருக்கா?
இல்ல ஆப்கானிஸ்தான் and பாகிஸ்தான்ல இருக்கு.
நைஜீரியா என்னாச்சுங்க?
நைஜீரியா எராடிகேட் பண்ணியாச்சு.
எப்போ?
Last year.
Excellent. President. So we eradicated Nigeria last year. After 4 years of polio free, Nigeria was declared polio free country last year. So I took over as president in 2001 and 2002. And in 2001, there was a drive for polio corrective surgery from all the districts. And 4 of us volunteered from 3200. Our district was 3200 those days. But how this polio corrective surgery camps were organized, there is a story behind that. I'll tell you that story. One act of charity began a revolution. What was that act of charity? These 2 people were the force behind this polio corrective surgery camps. Rajendra Sabu was the one person, and the other person you see here is the past district governor of New Delhi, Raman Bhatia. Both of these people were going through a small place called Hapur in Uttar Pradesh, which was a polio endemic state area, and in NID during one of the National Immunization Day, booths were monitored by the Rotarians, and Raja Sabu was very keen to visit most of the booths on NIDs, and these 2 were going to Hapur village, and at that time they were going to house by house asking people to come out and have the drops, accompanied by local imam. You know, most of the places in Uttar Pradesh, small villages have many Muslim populations, and they were accompanied by local imam. Otherwise, they won't be allowed anywhere inside the house because most of the house have female populations. So men cannot go into the houses. So accompanied by an imam and school teacher, they knocked one of the villagers' door. A woman opened it and immediately shut the door at the sight of men in yellow jackets and caps. You know, that was a uniform we used to have for polio drops, polio on NIDs. The imam spoke to her and explained the need to administer polio drops to her children. She slowly relented and said she understood the importance, but she could not allow the children to take, as her husband will definitely thrash her. Finally, she allowed her 2 children below the age of 5 to have their drops. When they came out of the house, they saw one child walking like this, limp, crawling on all fours. They asked who was the child. Then the child said that was one of the children of the same woman who had the 2 children in her house. This triggered a concern in the mind of Sabu and Bhatia, which also brought forth the unique idea of organizing polio corrective surgery camps to put polio victims back on their feet. So this is how the idea of correcting the victims of polio so that they can gain confidence of people to have the immunization done in the same places. Bore அடிக்குதுங்களா? Ramesh?
It's nice, very
No,
nice.
sir.
Sorry. So this put the idea because they said there are so many handicapped children in the same place due to polio. So if we give treatment, will the people gain confidence with us so that we can give more drops to these people. So the first camp was organized near Hapur, Moradabad, and that was a place where they made a all healthcare camp initially, and they screened many children with polio, and they collected children for us to operate. That was a camp I attended. In fact, they asked for volunteers from our district 3200. Initially, you won't believe 60 people volunteered, 60 orthopedic surgeon volunteered. Then gradually, when they said the camp will be for 10 days, only 4 of us remained. 4 orthopedic surgeons remained, and of these, myself and Sudhir were from rural place. Sudhir was from Palakkad and myself is from Udmalpet, and the other two were FRCS qualified, returned recently from UK. And they had very little exposure on polio corrective surgery, and Sudhir myself were same age group, and we were both trained by Professor Devdas. So when we went to Moradabad, we were surprised to see so many children with so many deformities, all described in books, all we had seen in Madurai, and all we had operated in Madurai with Professor Devdas. So we had hectic schedule of surgery, and we operated on 100 children in 7 days. And that was a team from Coimbatore in South, and that was the story of polio corrective surgery. And we did many procedures in all these children, and it was a rewarding, satisfying trip to North India. And remember, most of us didn't know Hindi. And that camp concluded, and we met the great past Rotary International President Rajendra Sabu, who himself came on the last day. He said, I wanted to witness the surgery, and they kept a case for him to witness, and I operated in front of him, and he was very happy. He presided over the valedictory function. And since then, Rotary clubs have been facilitating several such camps across the country, especially in UP and Bihar. Every year, at least 10 camps were organized, and Rotary Foundation played a major role, and everything was a matching project. You know, that was a matching grant project those days. Now global grant, that was a matching grant project those days. So Sabu rightly observed that these corrective surgery camps would go a long way in encouraging social mobilization and breaking resistance. When the locals see the polio victims walking tall, faith in Rotary would automatically grow for actions speak louder than words. That was a story. This was written by Jayashree, the editor of Rotarian those days, and it was 2014 article in Rotary News. You can go through that sometime. And Moradabad was the beginning of my Rotary service as a president, and that was a letter I received. Those days we used to receive mail, you know. I was in Moradabad and saw the 4 jewels of human service in action. I saw them work in OT. Their hands and minds were the instruments of God. Remember, a great man praising awards just 4 orthopedic surgeons. You are truly missionaries working for an outstanding project to reach out to the suffering humanity, to make the crawling children help in standing up and have some dignity of life. We were very much surprised that we received such a letter from such a great man. Subsequently, I was called every year to organize a team of orthopedic surgeons from 3200 because it was very difficult to get doctors volunteer for surgery, spend time in camps with very minimal facilities. You will be surprised to see the facilities they offered. Anyway, we were doing whatever possible. So I used to organize people from South, and these were the camps I was able to attend and help people in those places: Moradabad, Bijnor, Muzaffarnagar, Hathras, Firozabad, Meerut, and finally in Bareilly. Luckily, after 2008, there were not many children to be operated in the camp. We were choosing only children in the camp. By the time, the cases of polio were very minimal, and most of them were adults. So we were not doing any camps after that. That was the last camp we did in this polio endemic areas. Thanks to Rotary, so many children were operated in these camps, and many of them walked tall. And we had some non-Rotarian volunteers because we needed some anesthetists. It was very difficult to get anesthetists for those camps. I took an anesthetist who was my senior in Stanley. Dr. Ramesh knows him well, and another junior colleague of mine from our place. And I also had the opportunity to attend this intercontinental medical project, which was also a brainchild of our Rajendra Sabu. And three of us from our district went to Uganda, and we were in two peripheral hospitals, Igaga and Masaka. You would be surprised to see the variety of cases we were offered. And post-Burns contracture was a plastic surgery procedure, but there was nobody else to operate. And I was operating on this. And there were so many children, clubfoot, polio, osteomyelitis, whatever possible, we were able to offer services. And we received honors from most of the clubs. And after coming back, along with the other district, we were honored. And the journey continued as a Rotary School correspondent. As the correspondent of the school passed away suddenly, I was given the responsibility. I did whatever is possible to the school, adding shed for meetings, additional classrooms, extracurricular activities for children. The strength of the school was around 200 when I took over in 2002, and it grew up gradually. So we had to construct classrooms. We constructed computer lab and started pre-KG, Vijayadashami celebrations, and annual day celebrations as grand, and school van was purchased. Finally, when I left the school, it was around 500. The strength was around 500. We started a scholarship in the name of the past correspondent, who was a dedicated person, retired school teacher, who dedicated himself for the school for nearly 20 years. Of course, as a part of my profession, I wanted to do an artificial limb camp, and I was surprised to see the welcome by the public. There was so many need for the artificial limb camp. So we have conducted 4 camps so far. Then in 2010, I became a club advisor for a new club. And in this club, we started a project in the name of our past Rotary School correspondent, Virasamy, because he was a teacher. He was very much keen to serve the children. And in his name, we started this project, giving a library, a steel shelf with nearly 250 books. And it was given to all the government primary schools, where it was very much received well by the teachers and students. And we have given so far to 65 schools in and around Udumalpet. And this was the last year medical camp. Once again, it was a vocational training team. Nowadays, it's a global grant project to Nigeria. And we had many people from our district as well as from other districts. And as a part of orthopedic team, I was the leader of orthopedic team. We did many procedures. This was one of the procedure. And we had many meetings. And this was a global grant project we did last year. We didn't think we could do it because it was all COVID. No fund could be mobilized, we thought, but the District Rotary Foundation chair was from Udumalpet, the other club, and he insisted we should take it. Our club was very small. We had only 24 members that time, and the project cost was 33 lakhs, and we had to raise funds for more than 13 lakhs for the global grant itself. The ward was given in a very dilapidated condition. For that alone, we had to spend nearly 4 lakhs. And we were motivated by the last year district governor, our DRFC. And finally, we did, with the help of our last year president, secretary, and the project co-chair, and all our members helped us in doing this project. We got grant for 6 beds, but we did 8 beds, and all possible emergency cases could be treated here. So that is why we got this grant, because it's not only for COVID, for future in a government hospital, we wanted to create an intensive care unit. This type of intensive care unit is not even available in any of the private hospitals in Udumalpet. So we were happy to create this in Udumalpet, and we have done it. I was very fortunate to meet many Rotary leaders in many of the North Indian states, as well as in the international camps and meetings. And it was very happy meeting with all these people. And I had many friends of Rotary in my past Rotary Club of Udumalpet, and my present Rotary Club of Udumalpet Tejas, and many clubs all over the world. And now I have one more club to say, Chennai, Germany. I'm very happy to be with you all, and I'm very fond of these words. There is no passion to be found playing small in settling for a life that is less than the one you are capable of living. I never wanted to become a governor. I tell you, even now, I was very happy and contented with all the services I was doing for the society as and when it was needed. But I love my family always more than anything else. My love for orthopedics is still there. Ramesh, I'm still an orthopedic surgeon. Rotary is part of my life and another love of my life. I always think a man is not poor without a rupee, but a man is really poor without a dream and ambition. And Rotary has made me think more and dream more. And I am sure, without thinking of my past, I want to think of my future in Rotary. And I am sure I have more friends in Rotary now, and I can achieve more for doing more to the people. I thank you very much for this opportunity given to me to share my views. I have more stories to tell because I am now running 62. So if you allow me to talk, I can talk more, but I stop with this and like to share your views. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Sundarajan. It was excellent. It was excellent presentation and very, very inspiring, especially the way in which you have told the various stories which inspired you. And you are a true Rotarian, and the District 3200 is really proud. District 3203 is really proud to have you as your DG&D. Okay. And a small token of appreciation from our side. This shawl, and I think it will be posted to you by courier. Please receive on our behalf. And this is a memento. We wanted to send it by courier, but our courier person said it may take 2 days to reach Udumalpet. So we didn't send it. So even though it is a short request, I mean, we asked you on Sunday only, and you were kind enough to accept our invitation and give a talk. Thank you very much. It was excellent, and we appreciate you. We thank you and your family for coming over and talking to us on this auspicious day. Thank you.
Thank
If
you,
there are
thank you.
any queries, will you please be able to answer?
Sure,
Sundaraj?
sure.
First, I will request our teacher, Rotarian RVK sir, to say a few words. RVK sir,
Unmute yourself, sir.
unmute பண்ணிக்கங்க sir.
Unmute பண்ணிருக்காரு. Sir, unmute பண்ணிக்கோங்க sir. RVK sir.
கேக்கல sir.
இல்ல நீங்களே அன்மியூட் பண்ணுங்க ரமேஷ்.
We've asked him to unmute, but he has to do it from his end. Sir,
Oh.
unmute பண்ணிக்கோங்க sir.
Sir, கேக்கல.
மஞ்சுளா மேம் கேக்குறாங்க. அவங்க
எல்லாத்தையும் அன்மியூட் பண்ணிட்டு மறுபடியும்
கேக்கல. Yeah, can you speak in this? Yeah.
Yeah, speak in the Manjula ma'am's phone.
Use this. Yes, sir.
Sir, அப்படியே பேசுங்க சார்.
சுந்தரராஜன் நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா?
சார் நல்லா இருக்கேன் சார்.
நீங்க எப்போ when were you in Madurai? Long back.
சார் ரொம்ப நாளா சார். நான் 82, 84, 85ல பண்ணேன் சார் டிஆர்தோ.
Yeah, very good, very good. I'm happy you are still remembering me.
சார் உங்களை மறக்க முடியாது சார்.
நான் இந்த ஊட்டி வரை விஜயம் I remember still, and it was a very fantastic experience.
Thank you
I'm
sir.
happy that one of our orthopedic surgeons is becoming a Rotary governor. Very good, very nice.
Thank you sir.
நாங்கெல்லாம் உடுமலைப்பேட்டை வர்றோம்.
கண்டிப்பா வாங்க சார். கண்டிப்பா வாங்க சார்.
We will all come, and நீங்க கவர்னரா இருக்கும்போது வரவா?
எப்பனாலும் வாங்க சார். கொரோனா முடிஞ்ச உடனே வாங்க சார்.
Okay. Thank you, Sundarajan. Nice of you. We have met at least in the Zoom.
ஆமா சார்.
Nice, very nice. Thank you.
JVK sir, you want to say a few words? JVK is our senior Rotarian, past president. Very true Rotarian. JVK sir, unmute பண்ணிக்கங்க.
இப்போ கேக்குதா சார்?
கேக்குது சார்.
Okay, first of all, I congratulate Dr. S. Sundarajan for his for the coming district governorship of his region. I wish him all the success. Service oriented நீங்க பண்ணுங்க சார் உங்க districtல. Thank you very much. We were able to hear a very wonderful lecture from you. Very, very thought provoking. Very, very wonderful. I also see you are having a pet also. Thank you. I happen to be a veterinary doctor. Congratulations, you are associated with the pet also. Thanks a lot, doctor. Thank you.
Bhairavan sir. Bhairavan sir எங்களுடைய past president.
Nothing. I think his talk was so inspiring. We were all some of the ordinary Rotarians who are kind of rotating in Rotary. And his talk has really inspired us in a big way, that how from being a Rotarian, you understand the true spirit of Rotary, and his stories were really inspiring. And I think this is a transformation which Dr. Sundarajan has shown about just existing and understanding Rotary. Also takes many, sometimes years to understand, and the way it has inspired him probably will keep us also inspired in the coming years. I was really simply amazed at your work, and I think very big. We are very happy to have met you. Congratulations on your becoming a DG in the future, which is a well-deserved portfolio that you will really fulfill with great heights to, and bring Rotary into much more popularity and known into small towns. I always thought Rotary is all about city and urban rich, but happy to know that Udumalpetliye ivlo grand ningala pannittu irukeenga. And thanks, should thank Dr. Ramesh Babu for having brought you into our club and made us enlighten us such values about Rotary. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir. Thanks.
Dr. Rotarian Srinivasa Rao, our past president. Do you want to say a few words? Srinivasa Rao.
Ramesh, Dr. Sugavanam வந்திருக்காரு.
Hello, Dr. Sugavanam. Welcome.
Sir, good evening. How are you? Can I have
Very nice.
Can I have a minute?
Yeah, please.
Yes,
go
please.
ahead.
Please go ahead.
Hello, Dr. Ramesh, Sujata, and Sundar. For the rest of the team, I'm Dr. Sugavanam from Salem. Sundar Rajan was mentioning his Rotary polio project, that he took a couple of British trained surgeons to train them, and I was one among them. That's the time I got the inspiration to the Rotary. I joined the Rotary in 2000 because of Sundar Rajan, and I am taking up the presidentship coming year for Salem Rotary Cosmos. My inspiration seed has come from our guest speaker today. Thank you, Sundar, for all that encouragement. And we did 200 surgeries in 5 days, and with all your guidance. So that took place. So looking at that Ramesh Babu and that Sundar Rajan, we get inspired that in spite of our busy schedule, we can contribute to the society by being in the Rotary. At the same time, professionally also, we are developing. Thank you once again, Sundar and Ramesh Babu, for the opportunity.
Thank you, Sugavanam.
All the best for your governorship.
Thank you, sir. Sugavanam was with us in Bijanoor.
Bijanoor,
We
yes.
had a nice time with Dr. Sugavanam.
Parsardi, a senior orthopedic surgeon, now a member of Rotary Club of Chennai, Gemini. Parsardi, would you like to say a few words?
Yeah, it's am I unmuted? Can I
Yes,
speak?
yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Kekudha Sundarajan.
கேக்குது sir.
Oh, great. Sundar, we are all really highly inspired by your stories and the way you got involved. You richly deserve district governor nominee.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
And I only pray that you should be healthy enough to become a Rotary International president.
Sir, அந்த அளவுக்குலாம் ஆசை இல்ல சார் எனக்கு.
இல்ல உங்களுக்கு இருக்க வேண்டியதில்ல, பட் the way you are done, the history shows the pathway ன்னு ஒரு மெசேஜ் இருக்குது. The history you have shown like Rajendra Sabu, you will be able to reach. I only pray and wish.
Thank you. It's a great wish and it will be an honor for us.
Great.
Dr. Clement Joseph, do you want to say a few words about Sundarajan?
Yes, sir. Sir, Sundarajan sir, at the outset, a very inspiring talk. I have listened many case presentations in Bangalore where I spent many years, and even from Mudumilpet, sir has very cases. But today I found out a very unique aspect of your personality, sir. And it's so inspiring to see that you have done so many surgeries. And congratulations for all your work. And my best wishes for a very successful and memorable governorship for you, sir. Thank you very much for being part of the meeting, sir. Thank you, sir.
Jayaraman sir, our senior Rotarian from Germany and past president. Jayaraman sir.
Thank you, Doctor. Very good evening, Dr. Sundarajan. We are very glad to hear your words. You done the good work not only in Mudumilpet, India, and the other foreign countries. Seeing that we are doing after hearing from you, we want to do more. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
வேற யாராவது பேச விரும்புறீங்களா? Please feel free to talk.
From 3203. Anybody, if you'd like to talk, please come forward. சார் இப்பதான் உங்க முகமே கிளியரா தெரியுது சார் எங்களுக்கு அந்த background-னால
Sujata, நான் பேசுனது கேட்டுதா?
we are able to see you clearly. Nice.
Sujata,
Yes sir, சொல்லுங்க சார். ஜெயராம் சார் சொல்லுங்க சார்.
நான் பேசுனது கேட்டுதான்? அட்மிட் பண்ணி பேசுறேன்.
பாதி கேட்டுச்சு பாதி கேட்கல சார்.
நான் பேசுனது கேட்டுதான்?
பாதி கேட்டுதான்.
பாதி கேட்டது சார்.
பாதி
சரியா கேட்கல. இன்னொரு தடவை பேசுறீங்களா?
சான்ஸ் கொடுங்க.
கோவிந்தராவ்
அரைகுறையா தான் கேட்டது. அவருடைய ஃபீலிங் ஒண்ணு வார்த்தையில வரல.
Govindram sir, would you like to talk?
Just a few words, madam. Just a few words.
Auditor.
Just a few words. Good evening, all. It was an excellent speech by Dr. Sundarajan, and he's done a very excellent service, performing so many surgeries. And just a little more of affinity, is being from Mudumilpet. I studied in Coimbatore for 10 years, and I have seen all the places of interest which you have shown. And I wish you all the best for your governorship. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
எங்க கிரீன் ரொட்டேரியன் பாஷா இருக்காரு. பாஷா ஏதாவது பேசுறீங்களா? சொன்னீங்களே ஜிம்மர் பாஷா.
பாஷா காண போயிட்டாரு.
இருக்காரு. பாஷா
ரொம்ப ஆக்டிவ் மெம்பருங்க இப்போ அவரு.
அஞ்சலா பேசுங்க.
மேடம்
ஆன் பண்ணிட்டு போயிட்டாரு நினைக்கிறேன்.
It was an excellent talk by Sundarajan. I'm very, very happy to hear all the anecdotes he spoke about. I'm sure all the ortho surgeons in our club are going to become future governors now. He has taught us how to become a governor now.
மேடம் கண்டிப்பா மேடம் நான்லாம் கவர்னருக்கு டார்கெட்டே பண்ணல மேடம். அதனால எல்லாரும் கவர்னர் ஆகுங்கன்னு சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கேன் மேடம். இப்ப டார்கெட்டடா
எங்க கிளப்ல இருந்து நிறைய பேர் ஆயிடுவாங்க. We are having very, very enthusiastic and very active president. His wife, another past president. We have a very dynamic club. So உங்களோட ஸ்பீச் கேட்டுட்டு we sure will produce some few governors.
Thanks.
Going forward, we will be knowing all the orthopedic surgeons. So
yes,
ஆர்த்தோபெடிக் சர்ஜன் தெரியாதவங்களே எங்களுக்கு இருக்காதுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
சார் இப்போ வந்து சண்டே தான் சார் சுந்தரராஜனை கேட்டேன் நானு, உடனே எஸ் சொல்லிட்டாரு. சோ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஷிப்னால நமக்கு கான்டாக்ட்ஸ் டக் டக்குன்னு இது பண்ண முடியுது. இல்லப்படா ரொம்ப கஷ்டம் இல்ல சார். ஒரு டிஸ்ட்ரிக்ட் கவர்னர் நாமினி டெசிக்னேட்டை எப்படி கூப்பிட முடியும் அவ்வளவு ஈஸியா?
ரமேஷ், நான் முதல்ல சொல்லிட்டேன், நீங்க பிரசிடென்டா இருக்கும்போது கண்டிப்பா உங்க கிளப்புக்கு ஒரு நாள் வரணும்னே சொன்னேன். அது இந்த மாதிரி ஆகும்னு நான் நினைக்கல. இந்த அடைமொழி எல்லாம் சும்மா ரமேஷ்.
இட்ஸ் a great honor for us. நீங்க வந்து ஆர்டினரி மெம்பரா வரதுக்கும், அதாவது பாஸ்ட் பிரசிடென்ட்டா வரதுக்கும், டிஜிஎன்டி வரதுக்கும் நிறைய வித்தியாசம் இருக்கு.
We are very happy
Honored.
and honored
By your presence
and your great motivation and inspiration for all of us. You've really practiced, what you're preaching, so which goes a long way to impress everybody. I'm sure we are all, so many of us are inspired, and especially we have a lot of green Rotarians amongst us. This is one Mr. Pugulendi. He's a photographer. He has joined our club recently. Pugulendi, would you like to say hi? Unmute பண்ணிக்கோங்க Pugulendi.
அன்மியூட் பண்ணிக்கங்க.
Hi sir, I'm Pugulendi, photographer. You're joining Rotary Germany.
வெல்கம்.
Thank you.
வெல்கம் சார்.
Thank you.
Thank you புகழேந்தி. எங்க பாஷா ஏதாவது சொல்ல வராரா? எங்க காணோம்?
சார் ஹாப்பி ஈவினிங் சார்.
பாஷா
அட்வான்ஸ் நியூ இயர் விஷஸ் டு யூ. சுந்தர் சார் ஞாபகம் இருக்கான்னு தெரியல, என் பேர் பாஷா, ஜிம்மர் பயோமெட்ல நான் தான் பயோமெட் லான்ச் பண்ணது.
முகத்தை காமிங்க. முகத்தை காமிக்காம இருக்கீங்க.
காமிச்சிட்டேன். அவர் மைக் ஒரு இதுல இருந்து பேசுறாரு, ஆள் ஒரு இதுல இருக்காரு.
கேமரா இன்னொரு இதுல இருக்கு சார்.
கேமரா அப்படியே. சரி.
எங்க கிளப்புக்கு வந்து ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம்.
சந்திரசேகர் வந்து
it was very inspiring presentation sir. நான் நிறைய விஷயங்கள் as a green Rotarian I didn't know much about the past history of the Rotary, but it was really inspiring. இப்போ எங்களுக்குலாம் வந்து ரொம்ப நிறைய பண்ணணும்ன்றது ஆசை நிஜமாவே இருக்கு. இப்போ after your இது சார் எங்க கிளப்ல வந்து whatever I have seen with Dr. Ramesh Babu president இருக்கும்போது he has been doing a lot of activities. அது ரொம்ப பெரிய விஷயம் ஆக்சுவலா. எனக்கு நிஜமாவே அதுல நிறைய இன்ஸ்பயர் ஆகி மோட்டிவேட் ஆகி தான் நாங்க எல்லாருமே சப்போர்ட் பண்றோம். பட் நீங்க பண்றத பார்த்தோம்னா இது இன்னமும் நல்ல லெவல்ல இருக்கு. ஸோ அதையும் நம்ம வந்து பண்ணலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஆசை வருது ஆக்சுவலா. தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச் ஃபார் ஆல் த இன்ஸ்பைரிங் வேர்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் ஃபார் ஹேவிங் என்லைட்டனிங் அஸ். அதுக்கப்புறம் தேங்க்யூ அண்ட் ஆல் த பெஸ்ட் அண்ட் பெஸ்ட் விஷஸ் ஃபார் யுவர் கவர்னர்ஷிப் சார்.
தேங்க்யூ.
கீப் ராக்கிங் சார் ஆஸ் யூஷுவல். தேங்க்யூ சார்.
தேங்க்யூ.
So all good things have to end, and we are very, very happy that today has been a real landmark day for our Gemini Club also, since you've come and you've inspired all of us with such wonderful motivational stories. I'm sure everybody has taken home some message. I think we have a youngster amongst us, Sweta Santosh. Sweta, would you like to say a few words?
Unmute yourself.
Yes.
Hi.
Unmute paniko, Sweta.
Yeah. Are you able to hear me?
Yeah.
Just like everybody said, today's speech was very, very inspiring, and especially the note about the polio. I mean, it's now it is like a ரெகுலர் திங் தட் ரோட்டரினா கண்டிப்பா வந்து ஒரு போலியோ கேம்ப் வைப்பாங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு, பட் அதோட ஹிஸ்டரி அண்ட் இம்பாக்ட் நமக்கு தெரியறப்போ இட் இஸ் ரியலி என்ன சொல்றது, நவ் இட் இஸ் நார்மல். எப்படி நமக்கு இப்போ லைட் நார்மல் ஆயிடுச்சோ அந்த மாதிரி ரோட்டரியோட ஒரு போலியோ கேம்ப்ங்கிறது நார்மல், பட் அதோட இம்பாக்ட் தெரியறப்போ இட் இஸ் ரியலி வெரி என்ன சொல்ற புல்லரிக்குது. இததான் நம்ம இவ்வளவு கேஷுவலா எடுத்துட்டோமா அப்படிங்கிற மாதிரி. So thank you so much for that inspiring speech, sir. It was wonderful. Thank you.
So
now I request, I think.
And Ugadi Subhakankshalu to everybody.
Yes.
And the Tamil Puthandu Vazhukal ellarukkum.
வேற யாராவது பேச விரும்புறீங்களா? Did I leave anyone? Anybody wants to talk?
டாக்டர் நான் பேசுறேன்.
மறுபடியும் பேசுங்க சார்.
ஓகே டாக்டர்.
ஹலோ
Dr. Sundarraj,
sir.
Very good evening to you.
Good evening,
You
sir.
have done so many project not only in Udumalpet, in India, the inspiration for us. We are compared to you, our is nothing. Thank you very much.
Manikandan sir.
Sir, good evening, sir. Sir, Manikandan Udulpet Tejas President, sir.
மணிகண்டன் எங்க கிளப் பிரசிடென்ட்ங்க.
ஓ பிரசிடென்ட் மணிகண்டன் பேசுங்க சார்.
சார் நீங்க எல்லாரும் எங்க உடுமல்பேட் கிளப்புக்கு வரணும் சார். எங்க தேஜஸ் கிளப்புக்கு வரணும்.
வரோம்.
எங்க டாக்டர் வந்து எங்க கிளப்புக்கு கிடைச்சது ரொம்ப பெருமையா இருக்கு சார். ரொம்ப நிறைய ஸ்டடி பண்றது சார். எங்க டாக்டருக்கு நீங்க பேச கொடுத்த டைம் ரொம்ப கம்மி சார். எவ்வளவு மந்த் நீங்க கூப்பிட்டே இருங்க சார். எனி டைம் எல்லா நாளும் எப்ப வேணாலும் அவரு எல்லா டைமும் உங்களுக்கு கூடுவாரு சார். ஒன்னும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை. ரொம்ப அருமையான ஆளு சார். நீங்க எல்லா நாளும் அவர் கூப்பிட்டுக்கலாம் சார். ஒவ்வொரு நீங்க உடுமல்பேட் வாங்க, கண்டிப்பா எல்லாம் அவசியம் வாங்க.
கட்டாயம் வரோம்.
ஓகே சார். ஓகே, தேங்க்யூ சார்.
Thank you, President Manikandan. Very nice.
Okay, thank you.
டாக்டர் சுந்தரராஜன், one of your friends சந்திரசேகர்னு சொல்லிட்டு சென்னையில இருக்காரு. he said he knows you very well. அந்த லீகல்ல வந்து உங்களுக்கு கூட ஏதோ ஒர்க் பண்ணாருன்னு சொன்னாரு சந்திரசேகர். இப்போ வந்து he is president of one of the Rotary clubs in Chennai. He wanted to talk to you. Port City, Chennai Port City னுடைய பிரசிடென்ட் அவரு.
சரிங்க.
அவர் என்ன சொன்னாருன்னா, he is my RLI friend அப்படினாரு.
RLI சரிங்க. ரோட்டரி லீடர்ஷிப் இன்ஸ்டிடியூட்.
லீடர்ஷிப் இன்ஸ்டிடியூட் ஃப்ரெண்ட்.
ரோட்டரி லீடர்ஷிப் இன்ஸ்டிடியூட்ல சென்னையில நிறைய பேர் பழகுனாங்க.
ஆமா. அவர் வந்து he may call you. He wanted to join you. But இனிஷியலா நம்ம பிசிக்கல் கம் வர்ச்சுவல் வச்சிருந்தோம். அன்பார்ச்சுனேட்டா எங்க ரோட்டரி சென்டருக்கு மேல வந்து சிலருக்கு வந்து கோவிட் வந்ததுனால they have closed the lift. லிஃப்ட் வந்து அங்க யூஸ் பண்ண கூடாதுன்னு சொல்லிட்டாங்க. அதனால some difficulty இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிட்டு we made it fully virtual.
சரி, ஓகே.
அதனாலதான் அவரால he could not meet you.
Okay.
Probably he will call you. I will give your mobile number to him. He may call you. எனக்கு just phone பண்ணாரு.
சரிங்க. ஓகே.
Thank you.
I request Sujata Ramesh to post vote of thanks.
So yeah, thank you so much, Dr. Sundarajan, for that wonderful speech. We're all truly inspired, and what way to begin a new year, with such motivating words to take us all forward. And we wish you all a wonderful Tamil Puttandu Nalvalthukal for everyone for tomorrow and the year forward. And we wish all Udumalpet people, especially Dr. Sugavanam, one of our good friends, and I really had a nice time talking to him and his spouse the other day when they came over to Chennai. So very nice to see you all once again. I think the Zoom, the virtual platform is making us all meet up, and beyond all the boundaries, we are able to meet up. And thank you so very much. So we are coming to the conclusion. So I kindly request Dr. Ramesh Babu to adjourn the meeting after the national anthem.
We will all raise for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
The speaker speaker meeting of Rotary Club of Chennai Gemini is adjourned.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice meeting, President Ramesh. Excellent
Madam,
speech.
Maithili madam.
I really
welcome.
enjoyed it. Yeah.
Oh, உங்களை கவனிக்கவே இல்லை நாங்க. ஏதாவது பேசுங்க.
பரவாயில்ல, பரவாயில்ல. No need, no need. I am very happy. It's very wonderful start this year for New Year. Happy New Year, guys. All of you.
Yeah, wish you the same. Wish you the
Thank you, Sujata.
Maithili is also our past president. And இப்போ districtல ரொம்ப active. எங்க district peace and conflict prevention, peace building and conflict prevention உடைய chairman.
Just take it.
Okay.
And every event.
Nice meeting you, sir. நீங்க ஸ்பீச் கொடுத்தது கூட பீஸ் பத்தி தான் ஆக்சுவலா something related to peace only. Thank you so much.
Welcome, madam. Welcome.
Thank you.
Papa Ramesh, good night.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, bye, good night.
புத்தாண்டு
Bye.
நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள் நாளைக்கு.
ஆண்டு நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank
All
you for
the
joining
doctors.
us. We'll end the meeting, sir.
Thank you, Pasha. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Jaraman sirku, Maviki sir, all bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Thank you,
Clement. Bye.
Only happy New Year tomorrow.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, Sway.
Bye, Sweta. Bye.